Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up rental screening using TransUnion SmartMove, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin using TransUnion SmartMove for rental screening, visit the SmartMove website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Once you have completed the form, click Create Account to proceed. After verifying your email, log into your newly created account. From the dashboard, select the option to start a new screening. Enter the applicant's information, including their full name, email address, and phone number. Choose the type of screening you would like to conduct, such as a credit report, eviction history, or criminal background check. Review the screening package options available and select the ones that best meet your needs. Once you've made your selections, confirm the information and move on to the payments section. Provide your payment details to complete the purchase for the selected screening package. After processing your payment, the applicant will receive an email with a request to provide their information. Instruct the applicant to complete the necessary fields to give consent for the screening. Monitor the status of the screening process through your SmartMove dashboard. Once the screening is complete, you will receive an alert and can review the results. Evaluate the findings carefully to make an informed decision about the rental application. If necessary, you can share the results with decision makers in your organization directly from the dashboard. Keep records of the screening reports for future reference and compliance with tenant screening laws. With these steps, you can easily set up rental screening using TransUnion SmartMove. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.